Hello and welcome to episode 20, which is removing old gas from the gas tank. I'm not exactly sure the right way or the best way to do this. Pulled the gas tank about a year ago. It's been a couple years since the LandCruiser's been driven, and it's still got maybe a quarter of a tank of gas in there. So I need to get the gas out. It's a plastic gas tank from Cool Cruisers of Texas. And so my plan is to use this manual siphon tube to siphon gas out of the filler neck down into a gas tank that I have about a quarter full of good gas. And I think over the next couple of weeks I plan to maybe siphon a quarter to a half gallon of gas out of the gas tank into the can, mix it up real well, and see if it'll work in my lawn tractor. So let's see how this works. Interestingly enough, right on the directions they have the newer model FJ40. Like, this is something that happens all the time to a LandCruiser. As you can see, I decided not to use the gas filler neck to siphon the gas out. I'm going to open the port where the gas sensor is inserted and take the gas out of there. So my gas can is 2.5 gallons. It looks like I pumped out about a gallon of fuel from the fuel tank. My goal is to fill the rest of that up with clean gas, mix it together with it so it's a better than 1-to-1 ratio of good fuel, and then see if it'll work on my lawn tractor. I don't really want to have to go recycle the gas somewhere, I'd like to try and use it up. That seems to me the best way of doing that. So anyhow, we'll see if it works. Please remember to like and subscribe, and head on over to prairiecruisers.wordpress.com for more updates.